Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M13 and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on that device. So let's first open the settings application and then scroll all the way down to the biometrics and security. After that, scroll a little bit down and tap to other security settings. Now just to activate a SIM pin, we should click to here to set up SIM card lock, and just to activate pin code, click once on the switcher and enter pin code from 1 to 4 in my case, for example. Then just tap here to OK, and that's it. Our SIM card successfully locked with SIM pin. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.